Hey guys, welcome back. Yeah, so in today's session, we'll discuss a very important concept, that is log, right? So let's start with log. What is the application of log and how will apply and how to find the value of log, right? Yeah. So let's start from the basic. So in order to understand the concept of log, let us recall some concept of exponents, right? If I ask what is the value of 10 square. What is the value of 10 square? Then your answer will be, sir, this is quite easy. 10 square is 10 into 10 means multiply 10 two times, that is 100, right? But if I ask guys, how many times we should multiply 10 to get 100? Then your answer is 2, that is our exponent, right? Yes. Now if I ask, what is the value of 2 power 5? Then our answer is, sir, 2 power 5 is multiplied to how many times? 5 times. Then what will get? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times, you will get 32. But if I ask, how many times we should multiply 2 to get 32? Then your answer should be 5. That is exponent in this case, right? If I ask, what is the value of 7 square? Then your answer is 49. Or if I ask how many times we should multiply 7 to get 49, then our answer is 2. So these are quite easy things, but instead of asking all these things, if I ask how many times we should multiply 2 to get 9? How many times we should multiply 2 to get 9 means what should be the exponent of 2 so that the result is 9? Can you tell me? No, because we cannot represent 9 as a base in the form of base 2. So in order to answer these questions, see, we can answer these questions randomly, but we cannot answer this question. So we should know the concept of log. So what is log? Log is basically, in order to find the exponent, means how many times a number should be multiplied so that we will get another number. So guys, if you have any exponent whose base is b and exponent is n and its result is x. So what is this, guys? How many times, if we multiply b n times, then the result is x. How can we find the value of n? So in order to find the value of n, that is inverse of exponent, we will use the concept of log. So log is the function which is inverse of exponential function, right? So n will be, guys, how will write n? So in order to find this n, what we should do? We use log. So I will write log. For log, we have to decide two things, that is base and argument. So base will be same as the base of exponent, which is b. And what should be the argument? This number should be the argument, right? What is the meaning of this? How will read this? This is basically log x to base b, log x base b, right? What is the meaning of this? The simple meaning of this is how many times we should multiply b, so that result is x. So that will be the exponent. It means, what does log give us? Logs returns the exponent, means how many times a base should be multiplied to get a number. So what is this? This is a log. Then this b is called as base and this x is called as argument. This is the value of log, which basically represent the exponent if we convert it in the form of exponent. It means we can convert every log function into exponent and every exponent function into log, right? How will do this? So if I ask, guys, let us convert, these are the exponent function, no? These are the exponent function. If you want to convert it into form of log, then how will do this? So if I ask, guys, what will be the base? Base will be 10, argument will be 100. So what does it mean? What should be the power of 10 so that the answer should be 100? Means how many times we should multiply 10 so that the result is 100? So the answer is 2. So it will represent the exponent. So we can convert, this is the log function and this is the exponent function. How will write this, guys? So this will be log 32 of base 2 and the answer will be 5. The exponent will be the answer of log. I will write this, guys. This is log 49 base 7. So the answer is 2. In this case, if you want to find this exponent which is n, then what we will do? We will use log, because we cannot do it directly. Then this exponent will be, that n will be certainly an irrational number, and that number will be log 9 base 2, right? So hopefully this is clear to everyone. What is log, what is the application of log, and what is the relation between exponential function and logarithmic function. So this is basically a function, right? A machine in which we will give the input. What are the input? B and x are the input. Then we will get output, which is the exponent of the exponential form, right? We have certain conditions on x and b, right? So guys, if you want to put the condition, if you want to write the condition, let us use this thing, which is the exponential form. Can the value of x be negative? Can the value of x be negative? Just think and tell the right answer. Means, can the value of any exponential, any power or any exponent will be negative? No, this is not possible. So what is x? X is the argument. So x is always greater than 0. Can it be 0? It is possible. If I ask 2 power 1. So 2 power 1 is 2. What is the value of 2 power 2? This is 4. Can we get 0 right hand side for some pair of this base and exponent? No, this is not possible. So the value of x is always greater than 0. So this argument is always greater than 0. Okay. What should be the condition on base? That is b. For that, let us use this form. What is the b? B is the base of this exponent. Can b be negate 0? No. B cannot be 0. Base cannot be 0. So the first thing is b cannot be 0. And what is the second condition, guys? Can b be 1? Yes, b can be 1. 1 power anything is always 1. Can b be less than 1? Means, sorry, less than 0. Tell me fast. Can the value of b can be negative? Just think and tell the right answer. Yes, base can be negative, right? So b cannot be 0. So hopefully this is clear to everyone, right guys? But in the case of this log, if I take b1, let us use this. If I take this b1, okay, means what is the value of log 2 base 1? What should be the right answer? How many times we should multiply 1 to get 2? Is it possible? 1 power anything is always 1. So we cannot take b1. Means the value of b cannot be 1. Right guys? So instead of this 0, we can write the value of b cannot be 1. Right? Understood? So hopefully all these concepts are clear. So these are the basic things and you should know all these things. Okay. Let's move ahead guys and let us try to solve some things, some questions, right? So we have certain example. This is the exponential form and this is the logarithmic form. What is 3 power 5? 3 power 5 is 243. If I ask how many times we should multiply 3 to get 243, then your answer is 5. So I will write it in the form of log. So it will be log 243 base 3 and its value is 5. Similarly, we can convert this in the form of exponent. So it will be log 625 base 5, that is 4. And yes, this can be, how will convert this? So this is basically log 1/8 base 2 and its value is -3, right? Yeah. Now the next thing guys, 7 power 0 is 1. How will write this in the form of log? So this is log 7. Log 1 base 7, that is 0. So we can make a rule guys. What is the rule? For any base b, if this is 1, then the answer is, what is the answer guys? How many times we should multiply b to get 1? So we know that if the base is b, so in order to get the result as 1, so the exponent must be 0. So its value should be 0. Alright guys, so you can note down, this is a formula and you have to learn this like a formula. If I ask guys, what is the value of log 2 base 2? Means this argument and this base are same. So how many times we should multiply 2 to get 2? Then obviously the answer should be 1. So we can make a formula. If base and argument are same, suppose this is b and b, then the result is always 1. Right guys? So hopefully this is clear to everyone. So you can add these formula and it should be clear how we'll read the log, right? And what is the argument and what is the base. One more thing guys, that is called as natural log. What is natural log? So do you know what is Euler number? Euler number is E and its approximate value is 2.7. If the base is E, then that log is called as natural log, right? If the base is E and the argument can be anything, then this is called as natural log. And this can be also written as ln x. ln x. ln means log whose base is E, right? So these are the standards that you should know very well. So hopefully this is clear to everyone. One more thing guys, if I ask what is the value of log 1 by a base a, means these two are the reciprocal. Base is a and the argument is 1 by a, both are reciprocal of each other. What should be the power of a so that it become 1 by a? It means the power should be negative, that is the reciprocal. So the answer is -1. Or also we can write what is the value of log a 1 by a. If these two things are reciprocal, then the answer is always -1. Right? So these are the basic formula that you should know. Okay guys? Yes. We have some more formula, we will see later. So let us solve some question. Log m base 4 is 1.5, find the value of m. So how will do this? In order to solve this question, I will convert this in the form of exponent. How will do this? So the value of log is always the exponent and this base will be the base of exponent. So this can be written as 4 power 1.5 is m. So somehow we can solve the questions of log by converting them into the form of exponent, right guys? So let us solve this. So this 4 can be written as 2 power 2 whole power 1.5 is m. So this is basically 2 power 2 into 1.5, which is m. What is 2 into 1.5? 2 into 1.5 is 3. So 2 power 3 is m and 2 power 3 is 8. So the right answer is 8, means the value of m is 8. Clear guys? Now the next question. Yes, again we have the question, if log p base 5 is a, log q base 2 is a, then prove that p power 4 into q power 4 divided by 100 is 100 power 2a minus 1. So no need to do panic, right? Just simplify, just simply convert these logs into exponent, right? So what will be the exponent of this? So this is the value of, that should be the exponent and the base is 5. So if I convert this logarithmic function into exponential function, then what is this? What will get guys? So simply this denote that 5 power a is p. What is this guys? This is 2 power a is q. So this is the value of p and q. What we have to prove? So this is our left hand side. Let us put the value of p and q in the left hand side. So if I put here guys, what is p? P is 5 power a. So we'll get 5 power 4a into what is q? Q is 2 power a. So 2 power 4a divided by 100 is e. We have to prove this and that should be equal to 100 power 2a minus 1. So how will do this? Let us simplify this. So here the exponent are same, so we can multiply the base. So what we will get guys? The final answer will be 5 into 2. So this is 5 into 2 power 4a divided by 100. And what is 5 into 2? 5 into 2 is 10. So 10 power 4a divided by 100. I will write it in the form of 100. So can I write this 10 power 4a as 10 power 2 into 2a? Exponent of exponent, if we multiply, we will get same thing, which is 4a divided by 100. And what is 10 square? 10 square is 100. So 100 power 2a divided by 100 power 1. Okay, now the base are equal, we can do the subtraction in division, so we'll get 100 power 2a minus 1, and this is our right hand side. This is our right hand side. Hence proved. Right? Clear, guys? Now some properties, I already told you these properties. What should be the value of a? What should be the exponent of a? So that the result is 1, we know that a power 0 is 1. It means if the argument is 1, then the log value of log is always 0. If these two things are same, then the value is 1. If they are reciprocal, then the value is minus 1. Right? So these are the important property. And you should know the conditions also, right? What is the condition on this argument and base? So this x is always positive. And b is cannot be equal to 1. B cannot be 1. If b is 1, then we will get not defined. We will get different values. That is not, we will never get any values. That is infinite. So that will be the not defined. Now some more properties. This is basically a formula, guys. Suppose we have multiplication of two numbers m into n and we take the log. So for multiplication, we will simply break them like this, means log m into n is log m plus log n for any base a. In the case of division, we will put minus sign. We will put minus sign. And in the case of this exponent, if you have any exponent, so simply we will make this exponent in the coefficient part. So we will get x log m base a. Right. For example, if I ask what is the value of log 2 into log 3 for any base b? So how will write this? You can use this property. So this will be log m plus log n and the base will be b. Right. What is this? If I ask what is the value of log 100 by 3 for any base b? So in the case of division, we can subtract them. So we'll get log 100 minus log 3 and the base should be b. Right? And what is this? If I ask what is the value of log 2 power 5 base 2? So first of all, use this property. So this exponent come on the place of coefficient. So we'll get log 2 base 2, 5 times of log 2 base 2. And what is the value of log 2 base 2? If the base and the arguments are same, then the result is always 1. So this is 1. So we'll get 5 into 1 and 5 into 1 is 5. Right? Clear, guys? Okay, let us solve this question. Find the value of 2 log 2 by 5 plus 3 log 25 by 8 minus log 625 upon 128. So you have to use the property here, that is log m by n. So before using this, the properties, let us bring this coefficient in the index power, right? Use this property. Log m power n is equal to n log m. So this is true from both sides. Either we can write this in this form or we can write it in this form, right? Both will be true. Okay, so what will get, guys? So this will be log 2 by 5 square, that is 2 square by 5 square, plus this will be log 25 is basically 5 square, then 5 square power 3, and this 8 is 2 power 3, 2 power 3 whole power 3, minus log 625 is 5 power 4 and 128 is 2 power 7. So hopefully this is clear to everyone. Now let us simplify this, guys. So what we will get? So we have to simplify this, right? So if I use a property log m minus log m by n. So what is log m by n? So we'll get log m minus log n, right? So what is this? This is log 2 power 2 minus log 5 power 2. And from here we'll get log 5 square whole cube is 5 power 6. So 5 power 6 minus log 2 power 9. And what we'll get here, guys? This is log 5 power 4 minus log 2 power 7. Okay, this is clear guys. Let us simplify it more. So what we can do guys, so this is 2 log 2, this is 2 log 5, this is 6 log 5, and this is minus 9 log 2, and negative into positive is negative 4 log 5, and negative into negative is positive, so we'll get 7 log 2. Now simply we have to shift this exponent on the place of coefficient, right? So let us make the group 2 log 2 plus 7 log 2. So 2 log 2 plus 7 log 2 is 9 log 2, and we have minus 9 log 2. So these get cancelled out, right? Then now club the terms of log 5. So minus 4 log 5 minus 2 log 5 is minus 6 log 5, and minus 6 log 5 will get cancelled out with plus 6 log 5. So the answer is 0, right? So what is the answer of this question? 0, right guys? Now the properties, what is this property? This is log a base b into log b base a. So this can be written as log a upon log b, means write down this property. Log a base b is basically log a by log b, right? We can use any base. So this property is used to change the base of log, right? If you want to make the base of log 3, 4, 5, 6. So first of all convert this into this form, and we can take any base, but base for these two should be same. So this is log a upon log b, and what is this? Log b upon log a, so we can cancel out. So that is 1, right guys? It means these two are the reciprocal of each other. So if you want to find the reciprocal of any log, so simply interchange these two values. Now multiplication of two things is 1, it means they should be the reciprocal. So simply interchange these two. Okay. If I ask what is the reciprocal of log 3 base 2, then it will be log 2 base 3. Okay. So from here we can conclude this. So these two are the reciprocal of each other. Now solve this question. If a square plus 4b square is 12ab, then log a plus 2b for any base will be. You have 4 options. Choose the right option, everyone. Okay. Just try this guys. Yes, got the answer. So how will do this? So let us use some identity, right? So how we can form this? How we can convert this in the form of identity, because we have to find the value of log a plus 2b. So let us try to make the formula of a plus 2b whole square. So this is a square, this is 2b whole square, then 2ab is missing. If you want 2ab, so 2 into a into 2b is 4ab. So let us bring 4ab this side from 12ab. So we will get 4ab, and what will left guys? It will become 16ab. Simply you have to add 4ab both sides, right? So what is this? This is a plus 2b whole square. So a plus 2b whole square is equal to 16ab, right? Now we have to find the value of log a plus 2b. So let us take log both sides. If I take log both sides, so we'll get log a plus 2b whole square is equal to 16 log 16ab, right? So use this property, log m power n is equal to n log m. Now so we will shift this 2 here, so we'll get 2 log a plus 2b, na? And we have to find the value of log a plus 2b. So this is our required term that we have to calculate. Use the property. So this is 16 into a into b. So we can use this property, log m into n is log m plus n. So for this we can use log 16 plus log a plus log b. So this is log 16 plus log a plus log b. So we have 3 terms. So we'll add them into 3 subparts separately, right? So let us find the value of log a plus 2b. So log a plus 2b is equal to, divide by 2. So we'll get log 16 by 2 plus log a by 2 plus log b by 2, right? So do we getting any answer? Log 16 by 2. So this is 4ab, right? Just choose the right option. Log a by 2. See, Just see on the C option, guys. So can we write, how we can write this 16? So this 16 is 2 power 4. This 16 is 2 power 4. Let us take 1 by 2 common out. And this 16 is 2 power 4. And this will be log A plus log B. Right. So this is 2 power 4. Use this property. So it becomes 4 log 2. 1 by 2 into 4 log 2 plus log A plus log B. That is option C. Right. So you have to simplify according to the options. Right, everyone? Now solve this question. If log x base 10 is y, then you have to calculate the value of log x square base 1000. So how will do this? Either you can convert them in the form of exponent, or you can use the properties of log directly. Do it fast. So how will do this question, guys? In order to solve this question, we can use this property, right? Suppose we have log m base n and the exponent of m is a and the exponent of this base is b. So what is this? We can move this exponent in the numerator part of coefficient, and we can move this exponent in the denominator part of coefficient. So we'll get a by b log m base n, right? So you can use this property to solve this question. Also, this is quite important property. So what is this? Log x base 10 is y. So we have to find the value of this. So how will write this 1000? This 1000 is 10 power 3, right? So this is basically 2 by 3 into log x base 10. And what is the value of log x base 10? Log x base 10 is y. So this is 2 by 3 y. So the right answer is D option. Okay, everyone. Now solve this question. If a is equal to log 2 log 4 log base 4 of 256 plus 2 log 2 base root 2, then you have to find the value of a, right? So let us simplify this part. So let us simplify from here. How we can write 256? So 4 power 4 is 256, right? So if I take log of base 4, so what will get, guys? We get log 4 power 4 base 4 is equal to log 256 base 4, right? You can use the property of exponent, shift 4 here. So it will become 4 into log 4 base 4, and here both argument and base is same, so its value will be 1. So this is 1. So 4 into 1 is 4. So its value is 4. Now we can write this 4 as 2 power 2. So 2 into log 2 power 2 base 2. Again we will get 2. So this part is 2. Now what we will get, guys? We will get log 2 base 2, and here both are same. So this is 1. So what is the overall value of this part, guys? Overall value of this part is 1. Let us find the value of this part, that is log 2 root 2. So what is the value of log 2 root 2? So use the basic concept. What should be the power of root 2? So that the result is 2. So we know that is square of square root 2 is 2, right? So its value is 2, right, guys? Now how will do this? So this 2 is basically, this 2 can be written as root 2 square, and simply shift 2 here, then we will get log root 2 base root 2. So we will get 2, and again we have 2 here, so we will get 2 into 2, that is 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5. So the right answer is C option, right? So these are the good questions you can try, and you can build your foundation for the log, right? Because you are going to use these concepts in the chemistry also, in the physics also. So yes, do watch this video, try to practice the questions, okay? Whatever source you have, then you will get confidence automatically, okay? So one more thing, guys, you can follow us on the Instagram, Facebook. Also you can join the Telegram group. You will get the PDF notes of every section, every class on this group. Also, if you have any doubt, you can post your doubts in this group. Mentor, our teachers will pick your doubts and they will discuss your doubt in the respective classes. Also, don't forget to download IL app, Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya app from Play Store, right? This app has amazing feature. If you are seriously an aspirant of NEET and JEE, then you should download this app. This app has amazing feature. If you want to explore the feature of this app, then do first of all download this, right? Also, you'll get the link in the description to download this app, right? Yes. Thank you guys for joining the session. That's all for my side. Hopefully, we'll meet in the next class with some amazing concept. Bye bye. Take care.